Hi, I'm Doug. I'm the tech support representative here at Atlantic British. In this video we're going to touch base on a maintenance item that's usually neglected, and this is on the full-size L322 Range Rovers, and assembly procedure is pretty much the same from 03 all the way up to 09. And what I'm talking about are the little windshield wiper blades for the headlights. Now you have washers and wipers for these, which will help you gain and hold your visibility in foul weather. So they could be just as important as your regular wiper blades. So we have two different offerings here at Atlantic British. You can get either the wiper blade by itself, DKC 00070, or you can get the wiper with the blade and arm complete, because sometimes over a period of time, especially if you live in an area where they deal with a lot of salt or a lot of foul weather, you can get corrosion buildup in the pivot. And you'll know that the arm needs to be replaced if you can pull it out at about a 45-degree angle, and if you let go and it doesn't return on its own, it needs to be replaced. So then you would do the full assembly. In this case, we have a good arm, we have good retraction, good pressure against the headlight. So we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the wiper blade, and then I'll show you how to install the arm. Now the blade itself, the blade pivots, and it's just held in place by a little push pin right here, in which case you could just take a pair of needle nose pliers and push down on the top of that pin. You'll feel the bottom retract out. Simply pull that out and lift the blade up and out of the arm. Then you take your new blade out of your bag, reinstall the same way you took it out, and you just simply push in until you see that pinhole line up. You can install the pin from the top. Being the little slot or the detent that holds it in place is dead center, you don't have to worry about which end you're going to install first. And just simply push down in place, center the pin, check your pivot, and you're good. Now should you need to replace the arm, it's a reasonably easy replacement. This cover cap, just simply pull back and pull out of place. You'll see the holes are slotted, so it just simply pulls off. You have a nut, which is a 10mm. We'll take that nut off. Put it somewhere where you're going to find it when you're looking for it. Then you can take the same pair of needle nose pliers, and in that little opening of the shaft and the boss off the bottom of the headlight, you can just put that in there and just give that a little wiggle, and it'll pop that out. Slide the arm off, take your new assembly out of the bag, and you're going to reinstall it the same way you took it off. This is going to sit pretty well parallel with the top of the bumper, and you want to just get an idea. Let's see. Okay, we're looking good. We're level with the bumper. We put our nut back on. Take your 10mm. It doesn't have to be super tight. And bring it in until you feel it snug up, and then just give it a little push just to lock in. We'll take our cover plate, slide that back in, push in place, and there, you've replaced your wiper. Now assembly and everything is exactly the same for the other side, and it's always best you do one, always do the other. So again, this is something that a lot of people neglect. They don't really think about it, but it really should be replaced on a regular basis. So when you're ready to change over the wiper blades or wiper arm assemblies on the headlights on your L322 full-size Ranger, give a call to any of our knowledgeable salesmen, 1-800-533-2210. And thanks for watching.